Welcome to today's video about what may happen inside your body when you apply castor oil before sleep. Between midnight and 4 a.m., your body enters one of its most important recovery phases. During these hours, your liver works to process waste, your lymphatic system helps clear cellular debris, and your metabolism shifts into repair and restoration mode. But after the age of 40, this natural overnight cleaning system may begin to slow down dramatically. Waste products can accumulate more easily, joints may feel stiffer, digestion can become sluggish, and many people wake up feeling tired, bloated, or older than they did the night before. For years, researchers have studied an ancient oil that appears to interact with specific receptors involved in muscle contraction, circulation, and waste movement throughout the body. In 2012, researchers connected to Germany's Max Planck Institute published findings in the Proceedings of the National Academy of Sciences explaining how a unique fatty acid found in castor oil may activate receptors linked to smooth muscle activity. That oil is castor oil, and when applied before sleep, it may work alongside the body's natural nighttime recovery cycle in ways modern science is only beginning to fully understand. I only share information supported by published scientific literature and peer-reviewed medical research. Today, we'll explore the science behind castor oil, how it may support digestion, circulation, skin health, and recovery, the contamination problem affecting many store-bought oils, and the practical nighttime protocol many people use at home. But first, if this is your first time here, welcome to the channel. We focus on science-based healthy aging strategies for adults over 40 who want practical wellness information rooted in research, not hype. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss future videos. And let me know your age and biggest health concern in the comments below. Castor oil comes from the seeds of the Ricinus communis plant. Nearly 90% of castor oil is made up of ricinoleic acid, a fatty acid rarely found elsewhere in nature. Researchers studying ricinoleic acid discovered that it may activate what are known as prostaglandin EP3 receptors found on smooth muscle cells in the intestines and tissues. You can think of these receptors like tiny biological switches. When activated, they may encourage gentle muscular contractions that help move waste through the digestive tract and assist fluid movement through tissues and lymphatic channels. Scientists confirmed this mechanism through controlled laboratory studies, showing that when these receptors were absent, castor oil no longer produced the same response. This provided strong evidence that the EP3 receptor pathway plays a key role in how castor oil works within the body. So let's break down the potential benefits of applying castor oil before sleep. Benefit number 1. Digestive support and reduced bloating. Many people notice they wake up feeling lighter or less bloated after applying castor oil packs overnight. One possible explanation is that ricinoleic acid may support gentle intestinal movement through interaction with smooth muscle tissue. A study published in Complementary Therapies in Clinical Practice examined elderly individuals experiencing chronic constipation. After several days of castor oil pack use, researchers observed improvements in stool consistency, reduced straining, and a greater sense of complete elimination. Importantly, the goal was not aggressive laxative effects. Instead, the findings suggested gentler, more complete digestive movement. When applied before sleep, castor oil may support the body's own nighttime digestive recovery process while the body naturally enters repair mode. Benefit number 2. Support for lymphatic circulation. Unlike your blood circulation, which relies on the heart as a pump, the lymphatic system depends heavily on muscular movement to transport fluid and cellular waste throughout the body as we age. Lymphatic flow may become less efficient. This can contribute to puffiness, sluggishness, inflammation, and fluid retention. In one controlled study published in the Journal of Naturopathic Medicine, participants using castor oil packs showed measurable increases in specific immune-related lymphocyte activity within 24 hours. Researchers suggested that castor oil application may support lymphatic circulation and immune response during periods of rest. While more large-scale studies are still needed, these findings are part of the reason castor oil packs remain widely discussed in holistic health circles today. Benefit number 3, joint comfort and inflammation support. Joint stiffness, knee discomfort, lower back tightness, and shoulder pain often become more common after 40. Much of this discomfort is connected to inflammation and tissue stress accumulated over time. In a clinical study published in Phytotherapy Research, researchers compared castor oil with diclofenac sodium, a common anti-inflammatory medication, in individuals with knee osteoarthritis. Both groups experienced significant improvements in pain and joint function. However, the castor oil group reported fewer side effects compared to those taking medication. When massaged into joints before bed, ricinoleic acid may help support comfort and mobility while the body rests overnight. Many people report waking up with reduced stiffness and greater ease of movement after consistent use. Benefit number 4, scalp circulation and hair support. Hair thinning after 40 is often connected to changes in circulation, inflammation, hormones, and follicle health. Research from the University of Pennsylvania identified elevated levels of certain inflammatory compounds in areas affected by hair loss. Although direct clinical evidence connecting castor oil to hair regrowth remains limited, many people use it to help support scalp circulation and follicle nourishment. Massaging castor oil into the scalp before bed may increase moisture retention while supporting blood flow to the hair follicles. The fatty acids also help coat and protect the hair shaft itself. Consistency appears to matter most. Many people report gradual improvements in hair texture, eyebrow fullness, or scalp condition after months of regular nighttime use. Benefit number 5, skin hydration and barrier repair. Your skin barrier naturally weakens with age. When this happens, moisture escapes more easily, leading to dryness, irritation, and more visible fine lines. Castor oil acts both as an emollient and a humectant, helping soften the skin while supporting moisture retention. Ricinoleic acid is small enough to move between outer skin cells and may help support the lipid barrier responsible for holding skin cells together. When applied before sleep, the skin has several uninterrupted hours to absorb these fatty acids. Many people notice smoother, softer, and more hydrated skin after several weeks of consistent nighttime use. Benefit number 6, scar tissue appearance and skin texture. Scar tissue forms when the body repairs damaged skin quickly, often creating dense or uneven collagen structures. While castor oil will not erase scars, some people use it regularly to help soften and improve the appearance of scar tissue over time. Its moisturizing and anti-inflammatory properties may help support tissue flexibility and reduce tightness in areas affected by scarring or stretch marks. This process is gradual and may require several months of consistent use. Benefit number 7, support for dry, irritated eyes. Dry eye symptoms become increasingly common with age because the oil-producing glands around the eyelids often become less active over time. Some people apply a tiny amount of castor oil around the eyelids before sleep to help support moisture retention and reduce dryness around the eye area. Certain ophthalmologists also use specially formulated castor oil eye products designed specifically for ocular use. However, standard cosmetic castor oil should never be placed directly into the eyes unless specifically formulated and approved for that purpose. Now, there's something extremely important you need to understand before buying castor oil. Not all castor oil products are safe or high quality. Many commercial oils are extracted using hexane, a petroleum-based chemical solvent. While efficient for manufacturing, hexane exposure has raised safety concerns due to its potential neurotoxic effects. Additionally, castor oil stored in plastic containers may absorb chemicals such as BPA or phthalates from the packaging over time. That's why high-quality castor oil should meet several standards. Hexane-free, cold-pressed, or expeller-pressed. Stored in glass bottles, preferably organic. If the label does not clearly state these details, it may be best to avoid the product. So how do most people use castor oil before bed for digestive or lymphatic support? Many apply 1 to 2 tablespoons to the abdomen using a soft cloth or castor oil pack. For joints, the oil is massaged directly into the affected area and covered overnight. For skin hydration, a thin layer may be applied before bed. For scalp support, many massage it into the scalp several nights per week before washing it out the next morning. As always, consistency matters more than intensity. And while many people report positive experiences, castor oil is not a cure-all, and it should not replace medical care when serious symptoms are present. If you are pregnant, nursing, or living with digestive disorders such as Crohn's disease, ulcerative colitis, or severe IBS, consult your healthcare provider before use. The larger message here is simple. Many symptoms associated with aging, bloating, stiffness, sluggish circulation, dry skin, fatigue, may be connected to the body's reduced ability to recover and regulate itself efficiently over time. Castor oil is one traditional remedy that modern science has started to investigate more seriously, particularly regarding its interaction with smooth muscle receptors, circulation, and tissue hydration. If you decide to try it, choose a high-quality product, apply it consistently, and pay attention to how your body responds over time. If you found this video helpful, tap like, share it with someone over 40 who may benefit from this information, and subscribe for more science-based healthy aging content. Thank you for watching and take care.